My name is John Day. My wife Dove and I live in Petoskey, Michigan, which is in the northern Lower Peninsula. We do gardening. My wife likes to do cut flowers. We also have a vegetable garden on our 10 acres. We're looking for a tiller that can do the job that we need to do so that we can expand our gardens. This past fall we also bought a front-tine tiller, and we were trying to break new ground with it, and it just was very difficult to use. It was bouncing around a lot. It doesn't have that maneuverability that we had hoped that it would have. So we're looking for something that's a little bit easier to use. We were introduced to the Orec Gardenquake by our friend Brian, and we're excited to try it out because, well, I just like new machinery for one, and we're always looking for something that's going to make our garden life a little bit easier.